Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to do about double integrals. The integration of 2x for dx, that is about s squared. This one we don't have s, so you got about 3ys. And we put the bounds for y to 2y. Now I will put 2y go for s and y go for s. So that should be like this. Two y with power number 2, we have 4y squared. 2y with 3y, that is about 6y squared. Now we need to minus y we put in here, we have y squared. This one we have 3y squared. So we need to simplify this one. And that is about 6y squared. The integration of y squared, that is about y to the power of 3 over number 3. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 4. So I will put number 4 go in here, number 0 go in here. And this one, we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.